Hi everyone. I wanted to make actually a really quick video because I don't know if you can tell, for some reason I'm losing my voice. I was fine this morning, and then as the day progressed my voice slowly got worse. So I don't know what's going on. So fingers crossed I'm not getting sick. I'm hoping it's just maybe my voice is tired. So I wanted to make a video to kind of discuss what the math homework is tonight, because we really haven't just done straight multiplication facts. So I don't want you to think that we're already moving right along into that. But what we've been doing in class, we've been doing kind of like word problems and picture problems, and the students have to decipher the multiplication equation from those. So this is kind of the opposite. So I think there's about 6 multiplication problems that are for homework tonight. They're on page 24 in that green math workbook, and they're going to be all problems like this. So you're going to see a multiplication problem and then a blank. And I just don't want students to quickly write the answer. So some of you might know them off the top of your head, so maybe you are really ahead in your multiplication facts, so you might just be able to know what this is right away. But if you slow down and read the directions, it says solve, but it also says to show me your work. And I talked about the 3 different strategies in class today that you can choose to show your work. Now, you could do one of them, you could do all of them. Even if you know this off the top of your head, I still want I want you to show me how did you get your answer. So the 3 different strategies are: you can draw me a picture, you can do skip counting, or you can do repeated addition. So I'm going to do all 3 for this one. I don't want you to do all 3. I just want you to pick one strategy for each problem. Now, I'm pretty positive this is not on there, so I don't want to give you one of the homework answers, but they're all very similar to this. So when we look at this problem, 3 times 6 equals blank, what we are saying is there are 3 groups of 6. Remember, this first number here is how many groups there are, and then the second factor is how many are in each group. So I'm first going to draw a picture. So I'm going to make 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, and I'm just going to draw 6 dots, whatever's easier, in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. You can be as simple as circles and dots. I'm not the best artist, and I tell the kids that all the time. I tell them not to make fun of my drawings because they're pretty bad. So if you're really good, you can do something more elaborate. If you're not good like me, you can do something like this. So I have 3 groups of 6, and then I can count them up and get my answer. I'm not going to give away my answer quite yet. So that's the first strategy. The second strategy is that we can skip count. So I'm actually going to be skip counting by 6s, not by 3s. You can skip count by 3s. Remember, this is 3 groups of 6. So this number here is telling me how many I should skip count by. So all I need to do is skip count by 6s 3 different times. So if I skip count, I'm going to get 6, 12, then 18. So that's what you can do. You can either draw me a picture or you could skip count. So now I can actually put my answer in the blank here. So I'm drawing a picture, I'm skip counting to get my answer, or I'm going to use repeated addition. Now for repeated addition, all you have to do is add up how many are in each group that many times. So there is 6 in each group, so I'm going to add 6 3 different times. So it's just going to look like this. 6 plus 6 plus 6, what does that equal? Okay, so they're all very similar, and we've all done this over the last couple weeks, really since school started. All these different strategies. You can use one, you could use all of them. I mean, I would only pick one. Maybe you draw a picture the first problem, maybe you skip count the second problem, and maybe you do repeated addition the third problem. Maybe you really like drawing me pictures, draw me pictures. Maybe you're really good at skip counting, then do skip counting. Maybe you think you're better at repeated addition. I just want to give you all the strategies that you need in order to solve this multiplication problem, especially if you don't know your facts right off the top of your head, which I don't expect it. It's September 25th. I do not expect that. If you know it, awesome. I'm super proud and so happy for you. But if you don't, it's okay. Okay? So 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. So this is what I'm looking for tonight. I want you to solve the problem. So put your answer in the blank, but you need to do one of these 3 different strategies so that you can actually show me your work, okay? You need to be able to show and explain how you got your answer, not that, oh, 3 times 6 is 18, just because I know. That's not good enough. I want you to explain your thinking, and this will show me, say, I drew a picture and this is what I did. I skip counted, this is how I skip counted. I did repeated addition and this is my repeated addition problem. All right, so really, really great. There's, again, it's page 24 in your Green Math workbook. The only other announcement I really have for you guys is our class is going to the book fair on Thursday. Some people have already sent in book fair money, which is great, but book fair money would need to be in by Wednesday or the latest Thursday morning so that when we go, we're going to go in the afternoon, students are ready. We sent home, I think it was last week in Tuesday folders. There was a little like preview that you could look at. So, make sure you send in your money if you're buying books. And any other questions, any other comments, feel free to post them below. You can always email me or you can contact me on the Remind app. Have a wonderful Monday afternoon. It was so hot today. Can't believe it's actually fall, but get your homework done, then go out and play. Enjoy this weather while you can. All right, guys. And I do want to thank you, all the family members, everybody who reached out to me to give me warm wishes and thoughts and prayers about the loss of my grandmother. So I did want to say thank you very much. I really did appreciate it. I missed all 19 kiddos the 2 days I was gone. I really did. So I'm glad to be back in the classroom with the students. So thank you again. I really do appreciate it. Have a wonderful Monday. I will see everybody tomorrow. Bye.